With time and use, your hearing aids will accumulate dust, moisture, and earwax, which can impair their function. To keep your hearing aids clean, first, examine the ear mold. Use a wax pick tool to remove wax. Next, wipe the receiver and microphone with a soft cloth. Then, remove the battery and clean the battery compartment with a brush. Lastly, store clean hearing aids in a dehumidifying container with the battery door open. By cleaning and caring for your devices every day, you will be protecting your investment in better hearing, increasing the longevity of your hearing devices, and improving the clarity of sound. Additionally, your investment in AGX technology includes complimentary clean and check appointments that should be completed every 3 months. For additional information on cleaning and care of your hearing devices, see your Audigy certified professional.